Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off the angle snapping on ASUS ROG Keris 2As. To do it, go to Performance, then find angle snapping, and you can enable or disable it. When it's enabled, it's good for some office work. It will allow you to make straight moves with your mouse. So when it's enabled, see, I'm moving straighter. And when it's disabled, then you can move however you want. And it's just not good for games, so it's disabled by default, and it depends on your preference. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.